Thanks, Kip. Showing some new technology for you here at BTW 21. This is exclusive to BTW 21. We can zoom you in to Martinsville City. You'll see that in just a second and show you current temperatures across the area. We can overlay clouds and radar. It's really an advanced system, and I'm excited to show it to you. Temperatures today well into the 80s, a few clouds off to the east, and a couple of showers and severe storms right over the Carolina line this afternoon. Our satellite picture showing a fair amount of moisture off to the east as a cold front was trying to move through the area, but our visible satellite will come up on your screen here. You can see just some thin high clouds kind of blocking out a little bit of the sunshine, but you can still see your shadow out there this evening. So we're still looking at the isolated storms, hot weather again for Thursday, and the big day to watch will be Friday with some severe storms possible. After that, we get the payoff. A fall-like weekend is on the way. Overnight tonight, lows will be in the mid-60s through Martinsville, Collinsville, 66 Bassett, 65 Stanleytown, 65 in Spencer. For Thursday, another hot day tomorrow, mostly sunny, and then maybe an isolated evening shower or thunderstorm out there. The chances appear greater later in the day in the farther south and west you go, with highs between 90 and 94 across the board. 91 Spencer, 94 Ridgeway, 90 in Martinsville. Ernesto hanging on as a Category 1 hurricane, but it's not going to affect the U.S. mainland. They need the rain there. High pressure is keeping it to the south, so it continues swirling across the southern Gulf of Mexico and the parts of the Yucatan Peninsula as well. You can see it on our wider vantage point there. Here's one disturbance scooting the moisture through the area, but not much wind to move it along just yet. But there's a second system right here. This one is a big deal for this time of the year. This one's got a lot of energy with it. It's going to dive down. Look at our forecast. Look at how energetic this thing is. It comes in on Friday and kind of sits around Friday night and early Saturday. What's it mean for Martinsville and Henry County? Well, it means we have a chance of severe storms that could contain some large hail damaging wind on Friday, and then behind it some fall-like air moving in behind this entire system. Look at our temperature forecast here. You take this Canadian air, and this is something you normally see in September. It's kind of unprecedented to get it now, but we're getting the payoff from all that heat. You can see it coming off the Great Lakes, a big cool down on the way by Saturday and Sunday. Dare we see upper 50s for lows by the end of the weekend. Here it is on the radar starting to energize itself. It's going to dive down, pick up Gulf of Mexico moisture, and this is a high-resolution computer model for the day on Thursday. This is Franklin County. Here's the city of Martinsville. Here's Spencer. And about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we should be looking at some light to heavy showers and storms through Simpsons and Floyd County, moving off to the east. So again, later in the day Thursday, watching that as well. I broadened the view a little bit Friday. Here's Martinsville in Virginia here. This is going to be the cold front, and right along this front as it moves through there in the afternoon, showers out ahead of it, and then a strong line of storms possible during the day on Friday. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has us in a slight risk of severe weather for tomorrow, for Thursday, right there in the yellow. And then again for Friday, very rare to see it out this far. Another chance of severe storms over the area for Friday. So a busy and stormy forecast coming up as we bring in fall-like air by the weekend. 65 tonight, fair conditions out there, light winds. Then for the day on Thursday, we're back to 90 with an isolated evening storm, otherwise sunny and hot across Henry County. Our BTW 5-day forecast has all kinds of action in it here. We got the strong storms, could be severe on Friday, winds and hail possible with this, and then Saturday only 80, breezy, cooler, maybe a passing shower, but look at the overnight lows. Football weather. Overnight lows go back into the upper 50s by Sunday and the Monday. Pleasant, just very crisp, and low humidity out there. Lots of sunshine into Sunday and Monday as well, Kip.